Hello, this is Selena. I wanted to show you how I make my center step cards without doing any measuring. I'm going to show you the template on how to do it, and it's very quick and you can make for any size that you need. So here's a Christmas card one that I made. That's the back. And here's a birthday Halloween one. That's the back of it. So let's get started. What you're going to need is your envelope. So this works for any size envelope. I got some Christmas cards from a garage sale, and I love these envelopes, but I didn't like the cards. So this is the envelope, pencil, bone folder, scissors, eraser. This is a stylus, but you can also use a ballpoint pen. Oops, hold on, where does it go? There. Ballpoint pen that doesn't have any ink in it. This works quite good as a stylus. I've got one of these paper cutter things. Now, I tried using a X-Acto knife with a straight edge, but I couldn't get a straight cut. If you can, all the power to you. Use X-Acto knife and a straight edge, then you don't need the cutter. But then you're going to need a piece of, this is just a cereal box, a rectangular piece strip that is longer than the card that you're going to be making. This will, whatever size you make this, I don't know what it is, I never measured it. Just cut it with your cutter, and it is going to determine the size of the banner in the front. So if you want this to be more narrow, make it narrower, wider, make it wider. But it just has to be longer than the width of the card. So, and again, just a cereal box. It will determine the banner, and it will also determine the sides. Okay, so first we need to determine the size of the cardstock that will fit the envelope. And how I do that is I just take the envelope, oops, double it, do a line here, and a mark here. Okay, I'm going to cut that. So this cardstock is the size of the envelope, but it has to fit inside the envelope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off, I don't know, give or take, what's that, about ½ an inch. And I'm going to do the same, so it's relatively even. Oh, so I'm going to do this side because then I can get rid of my pencil mark. So that, let's do a little bit more. Okay, and now we can start scoring. You need a pencil. First thing is take our template and score the width of the template, but I'm only going to go as far as the width here. Oops. I'm going to do a pencil mark, just a little dot there, and same thing on this side. I don't want it to score longer than the width of my template. more there. And pencil mark there. I'm going to do the same. One up like that. I'm just going to, oh, that's supposed to be a score line. That's why we have erasers. Okay. And now, what we're going to do, oh, the other thing too, we're going to take our cardstock. Done this, doesn't matter. Take the cardstock, make sure it's even on both sides here. I'm just going to pinch the middle. Okay, don't go all the way, just pinch all the way, just pinch the middle. There, that. Score mark. Middle, but I don't want to go beyond these dots. But I want it like that. There. And there. Good. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is with my template, there's my score mark, and there's the dot from the first line. I'm actually going to now cut my template right at that, oh, it's too long, right where the score line is, right there. The reason I do that is because now I'm going to take that template, I can move it to the back of the card, and I'm going to score there. I'm going to do a dot, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Oops. I'm going to do a dot. Good. So, score until the width of your template. Other side, this only has a score, but this is also the width of the template. Take the template over and score, make a dot, score, make a dot, and you're for the crease of the card, the middle, you don't go beyond that width. I'm going to cut. From one dot to the other dot. Basically, it's right on the score line, so it's easy to do. There, to there, flip it, just lift this. So, right there, and there's the other one. Middle of the channel, and what's nice is you do have the score line. You can see that goes right there. So cut there, there. Now it's time to fold, a bit like an accordion fold, like this. This one, comes up. The second one comes down. Ooh, that has to stay up. This one goes down and down. Your card part in the middle. And it all fits nicely. I'm going to use my bone folder and just squish down the scores. And the card template here, or use this as the actual card, fits inside the envelope. No problems. So, there you go. Have yourself a wonderful, great day.